The SurgENT device is an irrigation tool. It's a way to remove the inflammatory debris that builds up in the sinuses and really clear that debris and clear all the inflammatory tissue out of there.
It gets material out of the sinus which you can't reach with a suction.
And it's a real interesting development and kind of change on balloon technology.
The device has a very soft, pliable type balloon on the end of it. So you inflate the balloon into the sinus and it conforms to the shape of the sinus. Filling the sinus, it puts some pressure up against the side walls of the sinus, and then you irrigate around the outside of that balloon, between the sinus wall and the wall of the balloon. And that forces that liquid to kind of dispel at a very high pressure around the balloon and forcing the debris that's built up in the sinus to come out.
It does so in a way that's much quicker, requiring less time under general anesthesia for the patients. And we're quite confident that it's also going to lead to better outcomes in terms of less infections after and less need for returning to the operating room.
I have a malleable irrigator that bends, and so I can get to where the mucus is. But then the problem with that device is it doesn't have a balloon like this on it to kind of direct the flow of traffic, so to speak. So I can get to the mucus, but then once I start rinsing, you can watch the whirlpool and the mucus just spin around in a circle as the water sits there. Whereas because the balloon here is a space-occupying mass, the water's got to go somewhere. So it's got to come out because more water's coming in behind it. And so the mucus, you can see it stream out like a ribbon around the balloon.
That's really, to me, the sort of the magic of the device. By doing that, then it allows the pressure of the water to be dispersed around the entire inside of the sinus. And again, you just can't do that with a regular suction catheter.
Just flushing the sinus alone doesn't get that material out. We've certainly looked at just flushing it, and flushing it's been around for a while, but it doesn't get all that material out from the very anterior part of the sinus.
We have to get all of that inflammatory tissue out to get a good outcome in sinus surgery. And this really allows us to be very complete in getting that tissue out.
You can avoid procedures altogether. So I can avoid drilling through the front of the sinus with a 5mm drill in order to get my instruments into those deep recesses of the sinus by using the balloon.
The aha moment was, I think, the first patient I used it in with polyps. And so getting it in there and then inflating it, and then when I was done, the polyps were flattened, the sinus was clean. And I thought to myself, now I know the job is done, because I don't want to make that other incision to clean out the polyps. And I thought, wow, this is amazing.
You're able to very quickly milk out a lot of the swelling and edema from the polyps and from the sinus, and the improvement is almost instant. I mean, you pull out the balloon and you can see it.
The fact that it created this appearance to the sinus that looked almost normal after we used it, that was quite surprising and really gratifying.
There's nothing else that leaves the lining looking like that, I think, at the end.
It's kind of brilliant in its simplicity. It just works very well.
There isn't another similar device out there at this point in time which displaces stuff.
It'll be easily used by any otolaryngologist who decides that they want to apply it to their practice. They'll be able to use it very quickly and very effectively.